Good day, CM2, and welcome to lesson 23. Today we are starting with our new unit, and that is new unit 12. I'm going to go by car. Can you repeat that? I'm going to go by car. Good job. Okay, I am going to go. I am going to go uses future tense. It uses future tense, okay? Now we're going to go to our introduction video and look at some examples of transportation, okay? Because we'll be learning about transportation as well. Please watch the video. It's very important, and repeat after what they are saying. Repeat the transportation. Okay, good job. Right, the video is not long. So when you finish the video, we shall turn to page 76 in our student books. I'm going to go by car. Page 76, let's look at the vocabulary words, okay? I'm going to say the words. Please repeat after me, okay? A, sports car. Sports car. B, helicopter. Helicopter. C, limousine. Limousine. D, motorcycle. Motorcycle. E, plane. Plane. F, train. Train. Sorry, F, yes. G, SUV. SUV. H, truck. Truck. I, van. Van. Okay, good job. Okay, that is our vocabulary for unit 12. Okay, so number 2. So then you have to fill in the answers. Please, for number 1 first, write down the letters, look at the car, and look at the mode of transportation and write the correct letter. Okay, right. Number 2, complete the charts with the transportation in the picture. So the example says, I go by train, I go on foot, I take a train, I drive a car, I ride a bicycle, okay? So you can use the modes of transportation here and add 2 more of your own, okay? 2 more of your own. So let me give you another example. Okay, I go by plane, I go on a limousine, I take a sports car, I drive a van, I ride a helicopter, okay? So it's your choice. You choose which transport you want to use, okay? All right, so you write 2 more. Please add 2 more to the charts, transportation chart, okay? Right. Job. And number 3. Number 3 is pair work, but you're going to do it alone. And I am going to change the question, okay? I'm going to change the question. And my question will be, how do you get to the department store? Then you tell me what mode of transport. If you take a plane to the department store, then say that. If you take a taxi, if you take a bus, if you walk, if you take your mother's car, whatever it is, write the answer down, okay? Good. So let's look at the example in number 3. It says, how do you get to class? And the answer says, I usually take a bus. But I'm changing the question and I will ask you, how do you get to the department store? Okay, so I usually, then tell me your mode of transport. How do you get there? Okay, good job. And now we're going to go to page 77, which is conversation. Okay, and then in the conversation here, page 77, we have vocabulary words. I'm going to read the words for you and please repeat. 5 days, plane, Rome, aunt and uncle. Okay, good. All right. Please fill in the right words and then listen to the audio and check if your answer is correct. Okay. And then number 2, you will practice the conversation again. So you read the conversation now with the answers. Read out loud on your own. And then you are going to fill in your own ideas at the bottom. Fill in your own ideas at the bottom. Number 2, you will work alone because you don't have a partner. Okay. So for example, number 1 says you have to make a sentence now. I will go with my classmate to Buenos Aires. We will go by train. We will stay for 2 days, okay? I will go with my best friends. We will travel to Mexico City. We will go by bus and we will stay for a week, okay? So you add your own ideas, right? You add your own ideas. I'm gonna give you one example in your homework, but don't copy my example. Please write your own, okay? So I said, I will go. So you have to change it and write, I will, okay? So right here in your books, you must write, I will go with, I will go with, I will go with, okay? We will go to, we will go by, we will stay for, okay? So I said, I will go with my cousins. We will go to Barcelona. We will take a plane. We will stay for 1 week. Okay, good job. Okay, when you're finished, number 2, then you go to the next page, page 78. Page 78 is language practice. Language practice, please repeat after me. We are doing going to verb, okay? Going to plus verb, okay? Right. Are you going to go by train? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is she going to ride a motorcycle? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. What are you going to do? I'm going to see my friends. How are you going to get there? I'm going to take a bus. How long are you going to stay? I'm going to stay for 2 days. Okay, good job. All right. Once you have done that, then go to number 1. Please select the sentences that are true for you. Okay? So, number 1 says, I'm going to stay home tonight. So, if when you do your homework that night, you're staying at home, you're not going anywhere, then check it. Okay? And then if you're not staying at home, then you must write, I'm going to the movies or I'm going to eat dinner with my friend. Write your other answer, okay? 2, I'm going to see my friends this weekend. So if you see your friend this weekend, then you can check it. If not, then you have to write what you're going to do, okay? Do that up until 5. Number 2, please match the questions and the answers and pronunciation. Please go to the listening and listen for the reduced and the unreduced sounds and decide what is reduced and what is not. Okay, good job. Let us go to our workbooks and we're going to go to page 68 in our workbooks, okay? Page 68. Okay, so we are on page 68. I'm going to go by car. Here you can see the puzzle. You must choose the transportation that you see here and find it in the puzzle. Okay, right. And then number 2, you have to write the words in the correct order. Example number 1, work by goes she to helicopter. Change the sentence so that the grammar is correct. She goes to work by helicopter. Okay, and then do number 3 to 6. Okay. And then when you're finished, please go to language practice, which is on page 69. Okay, we have vocabulary words. Page 69, language practice in our workbooks. Okay, drive, buy, stay, take. Okay, let's look at example number 1. Theo is going to visit his parents in Brazil. Okay, is going to visit. Okay, so visit, stay, go by, take, start. You use the words in the box. Okay, number 2, please use the negative form of the words found in the parentheses. Carol, take the subway to work. So those are all the words in the brackets or in the parentheses. And the right way to write, now you're making it negative. Carol isn't going to take the subway to work. She's going to take the bus. Okay? So everything you turn it to isn't, negative form. Okay? And then number 3, read the sentences and then you write the questions with going to in the words in the parentheses. Okay? Going to. Okay? How long is he going to stay there? How long stay there? Then you change those words, and you put them into a question, all right, with parentheses. Don't forget to write going to, okay? All right, good job. And that is it for this lesson. We have done number 1, number 2, and number 3. So that is the end of lesson 23, and I'm going to see you in lesson 24. Good job. Bye, everyone.